I built a clap switch that only responds to this kind of clap. It ignores every other sound even if you try to copy the clap style with your voice.
Boom! We got it.
Actually, I recently made a clap switch that turns this bulb on and off when I clap. But the problem is, it literally responds to any kind of sound.
That's too bad, man.
Well, we are fixing this problem today. The goal is to make a clap switch that only responds to a specific pitch or pattern of clap. The way this works is that a microphone first receives the sound waves. Then a microcontroller analyzes this sound to check whether it fulfills all the conditions. If it does, it sends a command signal to the load. If no, nothing happens. I'll be using this microphone module from my Arduino kit, an Arduino Uno as my microcontroller, a 220V bulb as my load, a relay module, a 9V battery, and some wires.
Now, the first upgrade I want to give to this clap switch is to build it such that it responds only to a double clap. If you clap once or 3 or 4 times, it doesn't respond. So it only responds to a double clap.
So I just connected the digital output of my microphone module to pin 8 of my Arduino, then the power supply and ground pin to the 5V and ground pin of my Arduino respectively. Then I connected the input pin S of my relay module to pin 4 of my Arduino, then the power supply and the ground pin to the 5V and ground pin of my Arduino respectively. Now with this setup, I simply wrote my code and uploaded it to the Arduino. If you need the full code, then check in the description. Now here is my first upgrade of the clap switch. As you can see, I connected a 220V bulb and a power supply to the output of my relay module, and I'm going to just test it right now.
Now here we go. Alright, okay, one clap, doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work. Beautiful. What? Papa, mama. Oh.
Now we have a very funny problem where our clap switch responds to any kind of sound. That is, it can't tell the difference between a voice and a clap.
Well, to solve this, I think we can build it such that it responds to only a certain range of frequency of sound. For example, we can make it to respond to only higher frequencies, which means there will be a lower possibility of a normal voice triggering it. I think I'm going to make some adjustments in my code.
Alright, I just updated my code and re-uploaded it to my Arduino board. Check in the description if you need the full code. I also switched the output of my microphone module from the digital pin to the analog pin. Then I connected it to the analog input A0 of my Arduino board.
Now here we go. Alright. Papa, mama, Wow, that's beautiful. Boom! We got it. So we've successfully built a clap switch that only responds to a double clap sound. It doesn't respond to the human voice, which I think is very, very beautiful. So guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not following, and tell us what you think about this project in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.